Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, keyless entry, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2016 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, hands-free communication. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.